Hey, you. How do you wake up in the morning? How do you meet the world every day you return to it? Because there's a period of time, although we say it may be just 5 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours in our moment of slumber, when we are expanded into a different state. When you return to the physical body every morning, how do you wake up? Not wanting to face it, annoyed, not looking forward, or like this. Here's a secret. You wake up every morning not rushing, not grabbing your phone, not dragging yesterday into today, because hello, it doesn't belong. You wake up noticing, just like a 2-year-old or a 3-year-old would. You wake up in gratitude. Thank you for this breath. So your awareness shifts back to your breath, remembering, oh, I just returned. Even if that's all you can say for today, gratitude is not performance, it's not a long list, it's recognition. It's recognition to say, wait a minute, I'm still here. I came back and I return to choose today. Either I want to expand my light or shrink it in any situation or anything that I choose to react to. Life is still moving through me. So give thanks for anything that's real in this moment right now. The breath, the light, the pillow, the quiet, the stillness, the cup of tea, a chance to try again. Then you anoint your day. It's very important. Somebody asked me the other day, what do you mean anoint your day? I'm not a spiritual person. Hello, I'm not talking about spirituality or religion. I'm talking about just an active state of being. You don't want to see what happens. You decide. So anointing your day means I whisper to myself, today I choose peace. Today I choose kindness. Today allow me to experience abundance and joy. Today I move in clarity. Today I allow joy to find me. Isn't that simple enough? You're not controlling life. You're tuning your frequency to what you want to notice, experience, observe. Then you live by not forcing it, by not chasing it. Just walking through the day as someone who already set the tone for it. And making your own active choice not to walk into anyone else's decision on how they want to experience their day. There's somebody else on this planet who woke up making a decision that they want to hurt people. So if you don't choose to anoint your own day, chances are you may step into this other person's peripheral view because you did not use your words to instruct this planet, this universe, to cater for your path before you go through your door. So, gratitude opens a door, intention closes the path, and the day meets you where you stand, expecting to be observant and experiencing joy and happiness today. That's my Friday. It is my intention to experience joy and happiness today without apology. Now, try it. What are you anointing your day to be today? This is how you begin your days. Try it. It's worth a try. What do you have to lose? A bad day? Let's make it happy. See you.